On the Bible, I'm not the same. I'm a fighter, but I'm in pain. Yeah, I'm stuck in the game, blood overheating, my shoulders beating, my moves. Can't be my name up, undereating, I'm unachieving, I'm your makeup. Your video's about to get ate up, you motherfuckers with the plate up. I'm doing bad now, about to pay my own bitch. Catch me on the flip and I'ma hit ya. Anything you dumping, I can get ya. Hit the gonna go and fish. I'm doing bad now, get ya. Set 'em tight. Yeah, I'm up in the game, blood. Another whole different mission. Riding with the dumb. I'm going out to paint my own fucking picture.
So this speaker was a return. I already paid for it out of my pocket, and I don't know what else to do with it. It's brand new. I could just resell it, but that's no fun. I think I'll go ahead and give it to somebody who wants it.
Flexing my muscle, in it to win it, don't get it, no stop.
Easily removed with a little bit of acetone if you don't want that on there. But if you do, it's yours. You want to know how to get your hands on this shallow mount Sundown 12? Hit up my live feed coming up real soon. Subscribe, turn your notifications on, and be ready. Because when I go live, that's it. I'm going to pick somebody. I don't know why, I don't know who, I don't know where, but somebody's going to get it. It's going to be real soon. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.